Hello, welcome to the first episode of the first launch experience. So recently Steve Thornton-Smith, I hope I pronounced it correctly, I'm sorry if not, launched an initiative on Mastodon where developers could showcase the applications they are currently working on. And yeah, I took a look at a few of them and I thought maybe it would be useful for these developers to hear about my first thoughts when launching the app. So this is the concept behind first launch experience. And we are going to try this out with the app Gamery now from Nico Rees, which is a game tracker, a game library tracker. That's all I know. And I'm going to launch it for the first time now. So during this, I will think out loud. So yeah, basically doing user testing, but I think it could be quite interesting. So it's in German here. This could also be interesting for developers that are not doing their translations themselves or doing it with DeepL or Google or something like that. Okay, so this looks nice. So I like the font here where it says welcome to Gamery. It looks somehow a little bit white. I think that's by design, but it kind of looks weird. Like it is stretched in some way, not like it's supposed to be. So this looks like my library. What is franchises? Okay. So first thing I would do, I think, is add a game maybe. I can search for games, I can create games, I can create like collections. Let's search for a game. I have suggestions here. That's nice, I think. I wonder where these are coming from. So let's search for Rocket League. Okay, there it is. A little bit weird that we have like the different seasons here because it's not actually different games for Rocket League. It may be different for other games. So I guess I just take that. Okay, you can see a little UI bug here with the German translation. That's the things you don't notice during development. Again, I somehow like this title, but I think it looks a little bit stretched and that it's not like supposed to be stretched. Okay, nice. I have some screenshots here, some information about that. Oh, okay. I closed it now by accident. Let's see if I can get back to the search. Okay, that's a little bit annoying, so I have to search for it again. There we are again. So what I wanted to say is, because this is a game catalog app, maybe it would make sense to make this add to library button here on the left a little bit more prominent. So right now, yeah, I can see it, but it's not the first thing that comes to my mind. Also, maybe because I am in such a modal here and I want to add a game, maybe it would also be make sense to put it up on the right corner here. But any else, it's really nice. So let's add this to our library. Choose a platform. Okay, that's nice. I can choose several platforms. I only have it on PC, so that's fine. But now what? Now what I do? So I can close it here, but closing is not actually what I wanted, right? I want to save it somehow. So I guess if I close it, it's saved. Yeah, it's in my library now. I have 3 dots up here. Not sure what that does. Somehow a progress here. Okay, and then I can change it directly to, yeah, playing, let's say. Never stop playing Rocket League. Okay, that's nice. So I can put in my progress here. I really like that. And achievements maybe here. Not sure. Okay, that's great now. Okay, nice. So I've added this to my library. How do I go back now? So it would be nice, instead of the 3 dots, maybe have a close thing up here, because now I have to go back, I have to close this again, I have to close this again, just to get back to the main menu. Okay, now Rocket League is here. Let's see, maybe one design thing. I really like the rounded corners. Maybe for the covers of the games, maybe reduce the corners a little, or even use square images, because that's just how you see them in the real world, right? When they are standing in the store, you don't see rounded corners there. I think it could work with a little bit less rounded corners. Okay, so I can get back to my game real quick here. So we won't have a chance to look at everything here. Oh, there's a wish list. I like wish lists. What's okay? So I can put my own game here. I also like that if it's not in the database. Let's see. Maybe Will You Snail, a little bit of an indie game from Germany. Let's see if yeah, it's in the database. Nice. Okay, so I actually already own this as well, also on PC. Maybe it would be nice here to say like the preferred platform or something, so to make the ordering of these always the same, because I play 99% of my games on PC, so it would be nice. Would save me some scrolling. Yeah, very nice. So I can actually say with the game here, I have a progress of like 2% or something like that. Let's see. Okay, see a little progress indicator here. I like that. Yeah, again, it would be really nice to be able to get back. Ah, okay, I can get back. Okay. So before I went back accidentally, now I saw, okay, you can actually just push this away. Silly me. Ah, okay, there's an activity kind of thing where I can see the games I've added. Oh, stats, also nice. Okay, it seems like this app has a lot of functionality. I think that's let's call it a day for this application. So in generally, I really enjoyed it. Really nice concept. I think there's a lot of functionality. Maybe a few things are a little bit confusing the first time you open the app, but I think you can get used to it really quickly. Yeah, that's my first impression of Gamery by Nico Tyrese or Nico Tyrese, not sure. Okay, hope that was useful to you, and maybe hear you next time.